Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, how do you do? In this video, I will explain material about a quadratic equations. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu of Afifah. I am an undergraduate student majoring in mathematics education at Islamic University of Syarifhidayatullah, Jakarta. My identity number is 11200170000022. I hope this video can be useful for all of you who watch. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to divide a quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equations? A quadratic equations or quadratic expression is an expression which contains a variable raised to the power of 2 cannot contain variables raised to a power greater than 2. It also cannot contain terms which consist of trigonometry and logarithm. So, I have two equations in front of us, and I want you to choose from these two equations which one is example of quadratic equation. Equation 1, x squared plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Equation 2, x to the power 3 plus 7x minus 15 is equal to 0. Where is a quadratic equation? Yes, the correct answer is equation 1. Why? Because basic of definition above in equation 1, the highest power of the variable x here is 2. Meanwhile, on second equation, the highest power of the variable x is 3. The standard form of a quadratic equation looks like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b, and c are known values. A cannot be 0. Meanwhile, x is the variable or unknown. We don't know it yet. How to solve a quadratic equations? There are a few different ways to find the solution. First, we can factor the quadratic or find what to multiply to make the quadratic equation. Second, we can complete the square. And third, we can use the special quadratic formula, and we will look at this method in more detail now. A quadratic formula for ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, in this slide, we can learning about a quadratic formula. First of all, what is that plus or minus thing that looks like this? Okay, the plus or minus means there are two answers. Answer 1 is x is equal to minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And second, x is equal to minus b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here is an example with two answers. You can see the graphic of two answers there. Okay, in this slide I have a problem looks like this. A bullet fired vertically up. Height of bullets h in meters as a time function t in second formulated with ht is equal to negative 4t squared plus 40t. Determine the maximum height that can be achieved by bullets at the time required. The problem, if made in an image form, is like this. In this case, it is known that the height function of bullets ht is equal to negative 4t squared plus 40t, with a is equal to negative 4, b is equal to 40, and c is equal to 0. Parabola ht graphics has a peak point xp, yp, where is xp equal to t is the time required and yp is the maximum height. If you know the quadratic equation is a x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, xp is equal to negative b divided by 2a, and yp is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over negative 4a. So, xp is equal to negative b divided by 2a. Because xp is equal to t, so it becomes t is equal to negative b divided by 2a. Substitution b and a into the formula, so it becomes t is equal to negative 4t divided by 2 times negative 4. So, t is equal to negative 4t divided by negative 8. After calculating, it becomes t is equal to 5 seconds. And then, yp is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over negative 4a. Substitution a and c into the formula, so it becomes yp is equal to 4t squared minus 4 times negative 4 times 0 all over negative 4 times negative 4. So, yp is equal to 1600 divided by 16, and then yp is equal to 100. Finally, the maximum height that can be achieved by the bullet is 100 meters, and the time needed to reach the maximum height is 5 seconds. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. See you next time in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.